Good morning. Today we are going to talk about the slope of a line formula. On Tuesday and Wednesday, you calculated slope from a graph by calculating the rise over the run, so the change in the vertical distance over the change in the horizontal difference. If you recall, an ordered pair has an x value and a y value. The x value tells you which way you're going to go, left or right, and your y value tells you which way you're going to go, up or down. Then we need to pick another line and find the x value and the y value. To find a slope from two ordered pairs, you will be given both those ordered pairs. Now, in order to find the slope, you're going to take your second y value and you're going to subtract the first y value from it. Then you're going to subtract your second x value from your first x value. So the slope formula, slope is represented with the letter m. You're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In the formula, m represents slope. The formula calculates the difference in the y values over the difference in the x values of two ordered pairs. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. This first example, I'm going to label my x values and my y values. So x1, y1, x2, y2. And remember the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to take 0, because that's my y2, minus my y1, which is 1, over my x2, which is 0, minus my x1, which is 5. Now, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. So I get a slope of negative 1 over negative 5. Now you remember, a negative over a negative equals a positive. So my slope is 1/5. Now let's take a look at another example. Again, I'm going to first start by listing my x1, y1, x2, y2. And the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, x1 is negative 8, so I need to put negative 8. Okay? And if it's going to help you, put that in parentheses. Now, 8 minus 3 is 5. Now, on your calculator, you can go 3 minus negative 8, or you remember minus a negative is the same as add the